Welcome back to the third match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently read Greater Portmore Primary on 24 points and Queen's Prep on 9 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison. Sports. Which team did Jamaica defeat in their last Queen's Prep?
Panama. Panama.
Did they defeat in their last match to qualify for the Women's World Cup in France 2019? Correct. Bible knowledge. Who helped Jacob to steal his brother's birthright? Greater Portmore.
His mother. His mother.
Correct. Science. What is the scientific name for the bones that make up your spine? Greater Portmore.
Vertebrae. Vertebrae.
Judges? Incorrect. Vertebrae. English language. What is the shorter word often used for facsimile? Fax. Music. In the Jamaican national anthem, which line follows? Keep us free from evil powers. Greater Portmore.
Be our light through countless hours. Be our light through countless hours.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Completed the following Jamaican proverb. Kauna have no business in a horseplay. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character. Greater Portmore.
Carl.
Correct. Mathematics. What is 1,609 written in Roman numerals? Greater Portmore.
MDCIX.
Correct. Social studies. What is a spring that shoots hot water and steam into the air? Greater Portmore.
Geyser. Geyser.
Air called. Correct. Television. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Greater Portmore.
Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer. Lance Gibbs. Bible knowledge. From which catastrophe did Joseph save Egypt while he was governor? Greater Portmore.
Famine.
Correct. Science. Speed that changes and becomes different is known as what? Variable speed. English language. Form an adjective from guilt. Greater Portmore.
Guilty.
Correct. Music. What does the musical term lento mean? Greater Portmore.
Smooth. Smooth.
Incorrect. Slowly. General knowledge. Who is the patron saint of Ireland? St. Patrick. Local affairs. Who is Jamaica's political ombudsman? Greater Portmore.
Donna Parchment Brown. Donna Parchment Brown.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the distance around a circle called? Greater Portmore.
Circumference.
Correct. Social studies. What is found halfway between the North Pole and South Pole? Greater Portmore.
Equator. Equator.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Where did God first appear to Moses? Greater Portmore.
In a burning bush. In a burning bush.
Correct. English language. Does the word zenith mean the same as below, summit, or down? Summit. General knowledge. What is the largest country in the world based? Greater Portmore.
Russia.
Based on land area. Correct. Sports. For which international cricket team does Mohammed Amir play? Pakistan. Mathematics. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle if each side measures 3 point? Greater Portmore. 3.8 centimeters, 11.4 centimeters. And that is the end of the final round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Greater Portmore Primary on 46 points and Queen's Prep on 11 points. So congratulations to Greater Portmore Primary and well tried by Queen's Prep. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.